Okay, I'm gonna start now. So, welcome. So, I'm Jasper, a Chinese teacher, and very honored to introduce some scholarships programs in Nanjing Tech University and also Sichuan University. And today we want to introduce these scholarship programs to students in Morocco, and very glad to meet you all. And since 1958, Morocco and China has established a very stable and friendly and cooperative relationship. And also since 2016, Morocco has exempted visa, so Chinese citizens from visas as well. So and also for Chinese language reputation development, we can see that there's a Chinese fever all over the world. So studying in China can be a really hot option for students overseas. So glad to meet you all. So the goal of today's seminar is to do a little bit of introduction and to guide you through some specific information of majors and also scholarship programs. And also we can see some environment of the dormitories in the universities. And let me guide you through. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to start with Nanjing Tech Universities. So first of all, so its whole name is Nanjing Tech Universities, and it's a public universities. And yes. Its world ranking, it's 624, and in country it ranked the 59th, and it's relatively high. And it's located in Nanjing City, a metropolis, and in the Jiangsu province, a major city. And for its total number of students, it has over 30,000 students. And among these students, international students take over place of over 1,000. Yeah. And China has provided degrees for these students overseas in bachelor, master, and PhD in Chinese language. But today we're mainly focusing on the bachelor English taught and scholarship programs. So it's intake that, which means the official classes will be started in September. And self-funded is available. And for its scholarship, so it has two types. One is university scholarship and one is Nanjing City scholarship. And if you are interested, the deadline for you to apply by is the 30th of June, and it's actually 2022, okay? So now we can have a little glimpse at Nanjing City. As you can see, it's a very beautiful city. So it's very modern, and its transportation is actually quite high level. And as we all know, the railway construction in China has been progressing and developing very fast. And so it's the capital of Jiangsu province, the foremost city of China, and it's close to Shanghai. So it's a very, it's a top choice for people to come to Nanjing City to study. And now we can come to Nanjing Tech's campus. So you can see some extraordinary view of the campus. And we can see a little bit of the accommodations. So it's the first are in the overseas student dormitory. And you can see that you can have a very comfortable bed and
clean
like a
clean
very
room.
large, yeah,
Clean room, big room.
yeah, very big room, very big room, very comfortable, and you can live in at ease. Okay, so and very tidy and clear and bright view. Okay, so and these are some pictures, some activities, okay, in Nanjing Tech University. So you can see that the first picture is the airport picture. So it has a very friendly service, and also down below is the food festival. So 带上中餐去留学, okay? So it's for the overseas students to share some delicious food together. And right at the corner, it's the picture of the New Year ceremony. Okay, so a lot of activities and very great activities are held each year. And it's welcomed for overseas students to take part in. Okay, now let's officially introduce some major lists of bachelor degree. So these are all in English taught. So you can see that there are 8 majors altogether. Computer science technology, which is very popular, and international economics and trade is also a very popular choice for overseas students. And mechanical engineering, automation, chemical engineering technology, and also pharmaceutical as well, and transportation engineering, which is a very typical major of Nanjing City as well. And the last one is applied chemistry. And so talking about the eligibility for students to apply in bachelor degree in English taught. So first would need to be non-Chinese citizen. So I believe students in Marco, you're qualified.
Of course.
And you should be less than 25 years old. And second,
this is for bachelor degree, less than 25 years old, right?
Yeah. Are students asking?
Yes.
Any students asking? Okay. Yeah. So, and the third one would be cannot have any criminal record, which will be mentioned again later on in the document list for applying this university. And the fourth one, you need to have good score in high school. So your GPA need to be relatively high, and also you need to have good English proficiency. So I think students in Morocco, you're very good at English, so you're mostly qualified.
Yeah.
So,
what is English proficiency? You mean IELTS, Duolingo, or TOEFL?
TOEFL and Duolingo. Yeah. 3 would be okay options. Yeah.
Okay.
These 3. And documents list to apply for bachelor degree. First, you have to have a passport, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And secondly, the high school certificate. And thirdly, transcript. And just a little reminder, because all of the documents of the certificates and also the transcripts should be translated into English so that it's universally qualified and recognized. Okay?
Okay.
And also English proficiency certificate, as I mentioned. And study plan and medical checkup and non-criminal record. So you should have police clearance and also application form. And your bank statement should be no less than $5,000. And other supportive documents you can apply to to prove you are more qualified. Okay, so if you think that your documents are not supportive enough, you can apply more to prove your qualification.
Okay.
And next, talk about a little bit of the normal fees for bachelor degree. So first would be tuition fees. So it's 16,000 per year RMB, and it's normally be so charge for the tuition fees for bachelor degrees taught in English. Okay, so specify of that. And so you can see that the current currency rates for US dollars and RMB is 6.5 RMB equals for $1, and you can have a check on that because and also for the accommodation fees, it's ranging from 1,600 to 4,000 RMBs per year. And medical insurance fees 800, visa fees 400. So this visa fees is to extend, and the university would do the regulations for you. And also for registration fees, so it's 500, but only charged for the first year. And the medical fees also charged for only first year as well. And the food cost, it's 700 to 1,200 RMBs per month. Okay, so I believe you are more, you get a deeper understanding of the normal fees charged for bachelor degree taught in English now. So that's normally charged for. So about scholarships, okay? So so we just mentioned that it's 16,000 per year tuition fees, okay? But for scholarships, if you apply successfully, so there are 4 types of scholarships for a bachelor degree taught in English at Nanjing Tech University. So the top scholarship is type A, and you can get full tuition fees free, and you can get a stipend monthly for 1,000 RMB, okay? And the type B would be full tuition fees free and stipend 400 RMBs per month. So tuition fees free. So it means that basically means that 16,000 of tuition fees will be accepted. Okay. So for type C, it's full tuition fees free, and type D is 50% of tuition fees free. Okay. So the university has done a lot of help for students overseas to come to study. So as we all know that tuition fees it's a lot to take in.
Yeah. So the scholarship type, I have one question. So the scholarship type, it depends on the results.
It depends on the student's qualification as well. So whether if it's excellent enough, so it still depends on the universities. Okay, so so mostly so it still depends on the individual's performance and also qualifications. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But it sounds good to get type A.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can see that we can see some of the admission notice. Okay. So this is the official file of admission notice. Okay, you can get a little glimpse, and I hope some of you can get that within these few months. And a little reminder